Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best beach chairs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Helinox Beach Chair. Clinching the top position, we have Helinox Beach Chair. This is a high back chair equipped with mesh ventilation panels to enhance comfort. Asides that, the chair features splayed legs. Hence, it is suitable when used on the sand with an assurance of stability. The chair features a lightweight and collapsible aluminum frame to enhance portability. Also, it comes with a single internal bungee cord for fast and easy assembly. The chair comes with a carry sack that doubles as a pillow. Moreover, it features durable polyester that resists UV rays and harsh weather. Lightweight collapsible chair frame is constructed from advanced proprietary aluminum alloy to provide maximum strength, holds up to 320 pounds. Seat and included carry sack doubles as a pillow are constructed from durable. At number 4, Giantex 6PC's Folding Beach Chair. This is a high-quality chair featuring a fade-resistant webbing. The rack of the chair features a solid pipe construction for extended durability. What's more, the chair includes a high-quality iron wire. The wire makes it more solid and durable, enabling it to support a lot of weight. The chair is lightweight and foldable for convenient travel. Its materials are weather-resistant and suitable for outdoor concerts, travel, parks, and festivals. The foldable design allows you to use this folding beach chair immediately when you open this folding one without the hassle of assembly. It is easy to set up and no tools required. This product has straightforward illustrations and descriptions. Every screw and pin has its own code and it's easy to understand the assemble progress. It won't take you much time and could save your energy. At number 3, STRONGBACK Low Gravity Beach Chair. Does your definition for the best beach chair mean a chair that will leave your back floating with comfort? If that is the case, I would recommend this product. Featuring a patented lumbar supportive design, it helps to improve the posture, support the back, provide relief to the spine, as well as ease the tension on your back. That not all, but the chair includes an additional cushy lumbar pad for additional support. The chair features a heavy-duty polyester 600D fabric. The fabric is not only resistant to tear, but it is also resistant to wear. What's more, it features a spacious and ergonomic seat. The seat aligns with the back and hips for maximum comfort and relaxation. The feet are extra large to protect them from sinking into the sand or mud. Also, there is a cup holder for the secure storage of drinks. The beach chair is foldable while it comes with a carry bag for convenient transport. At number 2, Lightspeed Outdoors 2. A perfect alternative to traditional camping and beach chairs is the Lightspeed Outdoor Lounger. Easy to carry, it is lightweight and fitted with a shoulder strap. Also, the chair includes a large zipper pocket for the storage of personal items. The steel frame is powder-coated. Hence you can get it when looking for a rust-proof and durable beach chair. Asides that, the chair features a low-profile foam padding and adjustable backrest. The pad keeps you comfortable while the adjustable backrest allows you to sit upright or lay back, depending on what you are doing. Beach Lounger 2-pack comes with 2 loungers and is a great alternative to your traditional beach or camping chair. Compact and lightweight design make it easy for transporting and setting up. At number 1, Lightspeed Outdoors Reclining Beach Chairs. The answer to a large and comfortable beach chairs designed to get you relaxing when you get to the beach is Lightspeed Outdoors Beach Chair. Designed to recline, you can adjust it to 4 positions based on your preference. Also, the chair includes an adjustable pillow and rounded armrests. Because of this, you can be sure to get the most comfortable lounging experience. 2 side pockets and an under-seat pouch are other great features. Hence, you can store different accessories within reach. The chair is easy to carry, thanks to the padded handle and backpack straps. Get comfortable with 4 reclining positions, adjustable pillow, and rounded armrests. Handy pockets keep everything within reach. With backpack straps and padded handle, they're easy to take anywhere. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.